Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you to all the new subscribers who have joined. We are going to be doing an update on the March budget, and I'll show you all what has been going on. So we are going to flip to March. As you can see, almost all of March's bills have already been paid. I have not actually had time to fill this out over here and completely get this done. But as you can see, the income, and this will be the first and only time that you will see this income, so watch it. My husband's disability check was $18.52. My disability check was $7.52 for a total of $26.04. So after all the bills were paid, like I said, I've not had a time to get this updated. We've been working outside in the pretty weather getting the homestead ready. But after all the bills were paid, we had $276 left. So the $276 went into the bonders, and I'll give you an update with that. Now, for my debt, I do have my debt wrote down. Everything that is going to try to get paid off. A lot of these are credit cards, hospital bills, my car, and my house. I have $41,399.78 in debt. With all the payments that they arranged on, I've got them, going. The monthly total of my debt is $1,249.87. So we are going to be working on the snowball. Hopefully we can knock it out and become debt-free soon and just have my utilities to pay. It's a long shot. I don't see it happening in 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, but we're going to do our best. So that's it for that one. Now, I'm going to close this up, and I am going to start with the original video that I was going to do. But I just wanted to give you an update. So guys, in my other video, I had got a comment that said with my debt binder that, hey, with all them ones, you should get a bigger binder, which I did. But I've got to show you guys. Okay, this one right here was my mortgage, and this one right here was my car. We have worked on saving, selling things around the house, picking up a few little side jobs. My husband did go back to work for a little while. Don't know how much longer he's going to be able to do that because his knee is going to have to be replaced. So, right here she is. This is the A5 binder that I found off Amazon. I did have some Amazon gift cards from Fetch. So it didn't cost me anything except for just scanning receipts and getting money back. I did get the black binders. To fully fund my mortgage is $583. So we are going to count this. So we have 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So it's 583.16. I always get it mixed up. 583.16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 583. My mortgage is fully funded for 1 month ahead. And I couldn't be more pleased with that. So let's get this back. Sorry if you can hear the cats in the background. They just had their treats and I think they're ready to go. So $583 for mortgage. The car is $306.09 a month. So with the mortgage, the car payment is $306. We have 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 306. So the mortgage and the car payment is now fully funded for a month ahead. And I just can't be more pleased about that. I never thought with my journey that I was going through in the past 2 years that now we are a month ahead. It's just been such a blessing. So, oh, wait a minute. I gotta show you this one. Okay, so starting in now with the debt snowball, we are saving. And for the debt snowball, I have got 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So we have $70 for the debt snowball. So, guys, I appreciate you so much for supporting me and staying with me and just absolutely being the biggest cheerleaders that I've ever had. And with that said, guys, I'm going to end this video and I will talk to you all more in the next one about how we're saving little ways to be able to fund big ways. So with that, guys, remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.